These fascinating creatures have spiky tails, razor-sharp teeth, and sizes ranging from about 2 feet to 6 feet. Their remarkable eyesight allows them to discover prey or identify danger from great distance. Herbivores by nature, they feast on a diet of fruits, vegetables, insects, and grass swimmers and climbers with a lifespan of up to 20 years. They embody resilience in the wild. So once again, our green iguana, Iggy with greater G. And now I have with me the bearded dragon. Belong to the genus Cocona, our medium-sized lizard native to our region of Australia. They have nothing but a triangular head and distinctive beard of spiky scales. In the wild, they are omnivores consuming insects, vegetation, and occasionally fruits. As pets, they communicate through body language and can live up to 10 to 15 years with proper care. Though health issues like metabolic disease and respiratory infection can occur without proper husbandry. So once again, our bearded dragon, Bogart, with greater birds. And now, Minera, where it lives in grassland, shrublands, and open forests. This non-venomous constrictor is the smallest of the African pythons, growing to a maximum length of 182 centimeters. The name ball python refers to its tendency to curl into a ball when stressed or frightened. Once again, our ball python, Saha, with greater G. So this time, we need a female adult volunteer. Once again, a female adult. How about us from there, Michelle? Next. Well, let me tell you, the next animal you're about to see is very tame, very soft, very friendly, and very... And now, this is right here. The next animal you're about to see... Yes, Trainer Jerry. Sandbox.